We're rolling. Welcome to our campsite. Woo!
We're at Inks Lake State Park.
Burn it! Burn it! Which is not what we will do because there's a burn van right now.
Yeah, exactly.
We will not be burning it.
Keep the trees safe.
Smokey the Bear. Smokey the Bear, remember him.
They're hard at work already because they told me they could handle it. So here they are handling it.
They just finished with our tent, with the girls' tent, that big one over there. We're on air mattress duty. Let's go.
Let's do it. Yep.
Oh, fabulous.
Okay, so this is what we're working with right now. So yeah, looking real safe at the moment. And
Not at all worried.
I'm not worried at all.
Oh, a bag to put it in later.
Ow! Ow! Sorry.
Are you gonna catch the baby like a labor and delivery?
Yes, LND.
I'm pulling it out. Okay. So,
Oh, there's a water tap out here as well.
yeah.
So,
What? Yeah.
Perfect, guys.
Okay, fabulous. Let's cart it over there.
Woo!
done.
We've done a lot of work today.
Oh, there's a moth stuck in there.
And what?
Right behind you.
Oh, bro.
Dang.
Oh, yeah. Dude, that's how it's done.
Boom.
Beautiful.
Now for the other one.
Now for the other one.
I wish that I
wish the world were an equal place, frankly.
There's freaking mosquitoes.
I'm kind of stuck.
Yeah, I bet you are.
I'm sort of stuck, guys.
How do you get back down? You just have such a...
He just has to swing down. It's not far at all.
Boom.
Impressive.
Yeah. Feeling what? Oh, I'm feeling a twinge of cold air. I'm liking it.
Cool front
Oh, that's Muhammad.
7.
What?
The cool front hit that 7.
No, thank you.
My stick that I whittled the last time we went camping.
Oh, I lost mine.
Oh, I still have
Actually, it
mine.
might be in my room.
Boom.
Let there be
I know I had
light.
this one up here. Why would you think that? Because we're women? Because we're women,
No,
Joshua? Why do you think that?
no, just y'all are nice.
No, like,
and,
it's like the constellation said. Like, I
yeah,
meant literally.
it's
you know.
it's.
We are driving back from the camp store. We'll give you a haul when we get back.
Okay, guys.
Hello, everyone.
We're back at camp, so we're gonna give a haul. I'll go first on my purchases. I got a little keychain.
Oh, I should have got a keychain, dude.
A root beer! Well, they're pack tags, actually. And then a sticker. And then I got Kenzinator. He took it. Some Cheerios.
Yes.
Those were my purchases.
My purchases. I got a, oh my god, where's it? I got a pin for my backpack. It's gonna look super cute. It's a little kayak.
Gorgeous.
I got a root beer. It's over there.
Root beer!
Oh my gosh, and I got a toothbrush and some toothpaste because I forgot mine at home.
You know how it is.
You know how it is, guys.
Yep. Okay, so I got paper plates for the campsite.
Paper plates, and
Yeah.
then we got this fire spatula that Josh is about to use to make us some tacos.
Okay. I guess
Yep.
my haul is. And then I got this geotag. It's also Texas Wildflowers. Yeah, so very cool. And Josh is cooking.
Josh is frying up some eggs, even though the Skittle is not on.
It's hot.
Like, we're the,
Hey everyone, we're about to go on a hike. The same hike we did last year,
Boom.
but new stuff. That's when you do the boom.
Boom!
Yes!
Boom! Nature in the background and Josh as well, right here.
Oh god, Josh looks stupid.
Tell me you said that.
He knows.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Josh, are we ready? Josh is ready. He's got a whole backpack.
Does that mean
yeah.
I can put a water bottle in there?
That's why I brought it, because I know y'all can big stuff.
Boom!
Are we doing something?
We're vlogging.
Oh.
Like last time.
Oh.
Oh. It's like not.
Scare all the wildlife.
My production team behind me.
I know, it's like this part.
I feel like singing Lick It Across This Lake would be really good.
Our proposal.
Uh-huh.
No. Our proposal is we go kayaking
After this hike.
after this hike.
I'm down. I'm freaking down. It's free.
What is this fool doing?
I heard Wesley.
Guys, get down here.
Oh shoot.
I got up and I got my hat.
This is not aesthetic.
Always aesthetic. He's pondering life right now.
Thinking of it a lot.
You're connecting with
What on my
nature.
mind?
I also need some.
Here it comes.
Sometimes they really just need wind.
This athletic ability is
Guys,
out of this world.
Wouldn't I recommend doing that?
self-belief.
Sing it.
Planet Earth.
Oh, let's do an update, guys. We haven't done it.
I'm in the middle of one. Hey guys, and welcome back to the vlog. Darcy is on her way, finally. We are about to have hot dogs. What did she say? She said, oh god, I just smelled my own armpit.
Does everyone see Ruby's leg warmers with her tennis shoes? Not a phone in sight. Not a freaking phone in sight, guys.
Do it.
I think the apple's right. Copyright. That's symmetrical lines. It makes me just wanna drive.
I've already been canceled so many times. I lost count. Like,
You and my buddy Joe would get along.
Oh god, why is it blurry?
Hey, Darcy! Look who decided to finally show up.
I threw up.
Good morning. Good morning. Everything's about to die.
Everything's about to die.
Josh! Can you get my pink puffer jacket?
He can't see the color pink.
It's on. It's gonna look white to you.